Moving on to the next demonstration, we have the Henshin belt V buckle. Wow. This is the year of 2024, and this is Bandai 2002. So 22 years ago, we had the Henshin belt V buckle from the Kamen Rider Ryuki. So at the time, people just familiar to use that Henshin belt, not the driver. Okay, it's kind of interesting that this year we are waiting for the new Kamen Rider coming in late August, pretty soon. Kamen Rider Gav, okay, and they don't use the driver. It's not a Gav driver, but the Henshin. What was that name? Okay, I forgot his names, but Gav. They don't call it Gav driver or anything, something like that, don't they? They call it Henshin belt. So the kind of old tradition is coming back. That's kind of nice. So Ryuki, the V-Buckle one, and then really the original one. Okay, so yeah, expect that this box is over 22 years old, which means that we should have some kind of the damage here. And the first thing I notice is, you see that crack on the plastic over here? Don't worry, not inside. Okay, just outside we have the slight crack over here. That's understandable. All right, so the box wise and looks okay, like here. Comes with the advent card 3. Okay. ドラグバイザーと連動か。そうだったね。Okay. So. Okay, this is the back. And something I noticed that for the back of this box, here on the bottom, I know everything is in Japanese, but これじゃない。ここじゃないや。あれ？どこだったっけ？ No, not here. あれ？どこだったっけ？ I thought that there's some contents explanations. これだね。Okay, here, the picture. Even the picture. Here. So this is the explain what the content is like. Okay. One thing I noticed is that there's no instruction paper or instruction booklet or whatever. Okay, because the box explains the very detail, pretty much everything. Okay. So this is kind of interesting. We don't have the instruction very much these days. Or, further detailed instruction you needed, you need to use that smartphone, read that QR code, access to the Bandai's, instruction page, and then you can download it. All right. So that's very different approach. Well, we're talking about the year 2002. All right. Okay, so let's go. This side? Oh, the other side. Here. Okay. Oh, Henshin belt Gav. That's what they call these days. Okay. Same thing. これはそのままでいいのか。So we have the top cover plastic like this. Okay. Yeah. You probably see that deflection on the back. They have the silver paper. Silver painted paper there on the background. So we have, what do we have? Bent holder here. Okay. And this is also a bent holder. Was it called a bent holder? I thought that there's some other names. Also we have the black one. Okay. More details. Okay, we explained that. And V-buckle, the body parts. Okay. And the cards. All right, 3. And like this, the parts. I don't know how to use it. Okay, right? So we need the instructions. So these are the items we have, and let's take a look at the details. こうだね. All right. To go further, we need some batteries, and then let me just grab the good batteries over here. 1 and 2. There you go. I don't think we can use that our belt dicer. Maybe not. Let me just check. Sorry about that. I hit my chair. Okay, so here's the dicer. これはちょっと無理だな、やっぱり。Maybe. I will try. Okay, so first of all, let's check the details. Oh, my chair. Okay, so like this. So slight, where here you can see that the paint is kind of wearing, and it's of course it's being used. Okay. Yeah. And also same thing. Bent holder. I forgot the name of these characters that they used it. I think he used the gun, right? Okay. So you can see just a little bit of the slight scratches on the surface. And Ryuki himself. Okay. And the cards. And so, yeah, it's not a perfect condition though. Okay. So I want you to know that this is being used. But it survived. Okay. Advent card. Drug letter. Monster card. And Magna Giga. Oh, yeah, I think I have that in his, SH figures. Okay. There you go, Magna Giga. Darkwing. Monster cards. So, I'm not really the card collector, but I can tell that this has been used. All right. So, but still, you can, collect them maybe. All right. The backhoe itself, the silver color painted, and oh yeah, I can see that my reflection over here, hello there. Okay, but there at the same time, I can see the color just grind it off, I guess. Something happens. It's kind of color is gone. And power switch, the lights, and pretty much the simple function. I remember that just a LED and then some kind of sliding and activation sounds. I think that was the only thing. Okay, I don't think we can just move this one. All right. So on the back of that driver, it's pretty simple. 2002 Ishimori Pro Terebi Asahi Bandai 2001, made in China. Okay. And let me just open this one here. Oops. Okay, so the terminal looks okay. Just a little, well, the color has changed. Not the last though. Not the battery leak, but it looks okay to me. All right, so let's use this one here. Auto. Power off. The screws came off. Okay. Yeah, I remember that these kind of screw, these at the time, kind of easy to be lost. All right, so there, and the sound. Okay, check. All right. All right, check. All right, I'm using the different better microphones over here. So allow me to activate that. そうこの音だよね。And then so we need to just use that like a hot case. But before that, let me put it all together. これがこっちだよね。左ベルト。This こうか。なるほど。So we have the two holes. Very different idea compared to what we have. So this is the DX versions, of course, okay? And we need to just connect the both holes over here like that. なるほどね。はい。Okay? Interesting. ここも一応できるんだね。Okay. So, I didn't know this one. CSM can do this, but I didn't realize that the DX one can do that too. So here, all right. And then we need to somehow connect this to here. But how? We certainly cannot. Can we? できるんか。できるね。We can go through here. Nice. いや違うよ。Wait a minute. Wait a minute. あれこれってこうだろ。これ出てなきゃいけないんだよね。So we really shouldn't have this one here. So we need to go through these two holes, put it, and push a little bit. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, there you go. Attached. Okay, and then use these holder. Come on. There you go. Okay. So my question is that if this hold, the dicer can hold this or not. ちょっと難しいかな。Oh, I forgot this one too. どうだろう。ちょっと難しいね。ちょっと maybe too tight and I don't want to break it. いけるか。あ、ちょっといけた。あ、ちょっといけた。あ、OK。Alright. Yeah, I don't want to damage that, items. But yeah, it can be done. Good to know. Maybe just too tight. Yeah, because this here, it goes too much pressure on this connector, and the connector itself is made of plastic. It's not too strong though. I don't think so. So I don't want to recommend this one. Okay, but just slightly, just for the demonstration. Okay, just put it on a cover like this, here to show you. Okay, so let me just do this on the Ryuki cards. Do you guys know which side is? And this goes this way. これはこっちに入れようか。あ、違う。これがドラッグレダーがこれだね。隆起。よっ。そして。I think the Magna Giga goes in here. And Darkwing goes here. Okay. So, power on. Alright. Henshin ですよね。これでね。And you pull the card out. Okay. So I think that's it. That's all that you can do. Henshin sound is already done, and so when we got the sound when we pulled out the advent card. Okay. これで変身解除ね。So discharge the 変身。How about the Darkwing? Simple. And okay. 変身解除。And Magna Giga one. And okay. Yeah. Pretty simple. Okay. So someone says old school belt mechanics. It really is. Yeah. But I know that the Ryuki's another what do you call that, other weapons or power up tools has more what do you call updated, wasn't it? So they can read that some kind of these punch holes. So these cards has some holes, so punch card system. not a magnet or anything, magnet tapes or anything like that, but yeah, punch card systems. This is very, very analog and well, actually the digital, well, but punch card, my goodness, I remember those days. Okay, all right, so interesting. So here we are. We have the Kamen Rider Ryuki, the Henshin belt, light and sound, V buckle is here. Really the original one, the Ryuki and Henshin. Okay, so I think this is one of the collector items that people enjoy. That the product was introduced in the year of the 2002. So expect that some scratches and wear, but the right and sound is okay, and then yeah, we happily bring it to our stores tomorrow Sunday activation at 8 p.m. Japan Standard Time. So hope that you can fulfill your Kamen Rider Ryuki collections with this. Comes with the box. All right. So hope that it's great. You can enjoy this one. Okay. So thank you very much. Moving on to the next demonstration. I'll come back, and thank you very much.